Biltech is into manufacturing of AAC blocks. We are the oldest company in India to manufacture AAC blocks. We have pan-India presence with 5 plants across different regions of the country.
Hello, my name is Nitin Sharma and I am working as a accounts manager here, and I am a chartered accountant by profession. So here I am looking all the compliances related to direct and indirect taxes. So all the account and commercial head reports to me, and I reports to our CFO.
My name is Uneecops Sharma. I am working as a IT manager in Biltech, and I am taking care of all the infrastructure related activities and software related activities in Biltech.
So Biltech as of now was working on Tally, and with the competition growing and with the real-time data becoming a big challenge in the Tally, so Biltech evaluated quite a few softwares like Oracle, like SAP, and then we also evaluated MS. But after evaluating, we decided that SAP is the software we should go with, and today we have done that.
Actually, earlier to SAP One, we were using Tally ERP. So in that, lot of challenges we were facing, like in while implementing SAP. So we have lot of advantage that there we can use centralized data processing system, and as far as storage is concerned, there is unlimited storage on cloud based, and we can have the other facilities on SAP as well, like machine integration and web bridge integration. And after implementing the SAP, we have other facility like we can send the messages, emails through WhatsApp, and yeah, there are many more benefits as compared to Tally.
Yeah, before implementing SAP B1 in our organization, we were working on Tally, which was the accounting software, but we want all our processes to be done in a single system which will be centralized from HO. So the basic problem which we were facing is centralizing all the things. Now now we are going with SAP, so I hope we will able to control all the things with central activities.
So Uneecops are the channel partner who helped us in implementing SAP. It has really been a fantastic journey with them so far. We are ahead of time, ahead of schedule. It really has been amazing to work with the Uneecops. Thumbs up to them.
The experience was very fantastic, and as far as Uneecops team is concerned, they are very professional person and very cooperative. And if I talk about when we started this journey of the implementation, so we think that it will going to be a very tough task, but they make very easy way for us, and we think that in the future as well we will work with very cooperative environment.
Yeah, it is very nice experience. The team is very cooperative. They all know the processes of how to implement a software, and it is nice to work with them. It is very good experience, and I hope the collaboration will go further as long as possible it is.